Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Cook with Antoniette Tee. If you are new here, welcome so much. On this channel, we make African cooking simple, fun and full of love. If you love good food and easy recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, especially the YouTube video recommendation. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being part of this amazing family. And today we are going to dive into a Ugandan classic matoke. You are going to love how simple and delicious it is. For our ingredients, we have 2 tomatoes, an onion, bananas. These are unripe bananas. And then we have potatoes. For the half banana, you can see that it's because I used the other half in my previous video of making my baby a puree. So make sure to check out that video and you can get an idea or two for what to prepare for your baby. So let's get started with preparing the ingredient. I've already put the tomatoes and the onion in the clean water. Now I'm peeling the ginger, and next will be the bananas and the potatoes. Now that the food that we are going to use to cook matoke with are ready, we are going to get started right away. First we are going to fry the onions, and that is why I'm dicing the onions into smaller pieces. that our onion is almost cooked, we are going to put in the ginger, and it's done towards the end to avoid it burning and sticking on the sufuria before the onion cooks. After the onion and the ginger cooks, we are going to add the grated tomato. And then I'm showing you the plate from Bitgate. Yeah, they sent me a match when I used to work there. For the flavors in this meal, I'm going to use mixed spices, which is all-in-one spices, and then salt. When we put in the bananas and the potatoes, we are not going to pour in the water yet. This is to allow the bananas and the potatoes to absorb in the cooking oil and the flavors. When you pour in the water, make sure it's almost to the level of the food, but not above, to avoid the excess water. Look at that creamy, comforting matoke, perfect with a hearty beef stew or a side of avocado just like this. This is the real comfort food Ugandan style. I hope you enjoyed cooking this delicious Ugandan matoke with me. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cook with Antoniette Tee, and turn on the notification so you never miss a tasty recipe. Next week we are making another easy traditional dish that you'll absolutely love. So stick around, you don't want to miss that. Until next time, stay blessed, stay happy, and keep cooking with love. Bye.